Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to find and recover deleted apps on Android mobile. Guys, sometimes we have deleted the application from Android mobile by mistake and we don't know the name of application. So how to find and recover deleted application on Android mobile. So keep watching my video until the end. Guys, first of all, open Play Store application appears on screen. Here, open Play Store and now simply tap on profile icon top right corner. Here, now simply tap on manage apps and devices and simply tap on manage. Here simply tap on install. You can see, now tap on not installed. Here you can see these all not installed apps on your Android mobile. It means these are deleted apps on your Android mobile. Here you can see appears on screen. So how to recover, how to reinstall on your Android mobile? So simply tap on this box. You want to recover, simply tap on this arrow button. Downloading successfully, you can see appears on screen. Here please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more update.